Original meat nests with eggs and potatoes. If you don't know what to make with ground meat, then you'll find this video very useful. This recipe is for original oven-baked meat nests with eggs and potatoes. The easy and hearty idea for your next dinner. Take 4 slices of bread. And soak in 100 milliliters of regular fresh milk. Set aside for 10 minutes. Chop 2 red onions finely. My son likes watching how I cook dinner. Peel a carrot and grate it. In a medium bowl, mix together carrot, onions, (750 grams of minced meat). I used pork. Squeeze bread from the milk and add to the bowl. Add 1 egg. Dried basil and paprika. Season with salt. Mix until all well combined. In a deep oven tray, sprinkle some olive oil. With the hands, create the balls from the minced meat, around 120 grams to 150 grams each. Press down with round glass in the center to form a shallow nest. Our nests are ready. Put fresh egg in each nest. Bake in the preheated oven for 40 minutes at 180 Celsius. Meanwhile, let's cook the potatoes. Chop 4 to 5 garlic cloves. And put in a small, shallow bowl. Add 100 milliliters of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of tomato paste, one tablespoon of apple vinegar, two tablespoons of honey, season with salt and paprika, and mix well. Cut 800 to 1,000 grams of potatoes into wedges. Put in a tray. Season with salt, pour the sauce, cover with foil, and bake for 50 minutes at 180 Celsius. Serve hot immediately. Enjoy your meat nests with eggs and potatoes. Share your experience in the comments below. I love hearing from you. And subscribe to my channel for new, easy, delicious recipes.